So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Cyber War Labs where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hackings, and also certifications helps for preparations. So, I'm not gonna waste your time, guys. I'll come to the points direct. And today's video is based on CEH version 13, which comes with AI, artificial intelligence. So right now, if you know guys that AI is very growing rapidly, and if you don't have AI skills, if you don't know how to use the AI tools, then somewhere you are lacking behind. Okay, so let's see and let's talk about how version 13 AI is different from version 12, because I have done my version 12 master certifications of CEH from EC Council. So still I teach like many students, so those who enroll for the version 13 also. So guys, let me tell you that yes, the version 12 is far different from version 13. The whatever the tools, whatever the attacks, whatever the methods they have covered in the version 13 is far different from version 12. The modules are the same. You will gonna learn reconnaissance, footprinting, system hackings, then web exploitations, Android hackings, all that you gonna learn. But yeah, you will learn with AI. Okay, you will not just automate, you will not just gonna use the automation tools, you will not gonna perform the manual exploitations on the SQL queries, you will not gonna just exploit xyz.com website. You will learn how to use the AI, how to create tools with the AI. So right now you can see in front of my screen, here is a parrot machine, and all the necessary tools which I have built in these machines is related to the version 13 only. But let me clear you out guys, this is my own virtual machine. As you can see, I have installed in the VMware workstation. This is not a machine of EC Council, and this is not a machine I have taken from any EC Council's vendor. It's my own machine. I have built it, I have built up this my machine in my own environment, and everything I can show you, it's almost same. If I just go to the applications, if I'll go to the penetration testings, information gatherings, all you will see which comes by default by the parrot. Okay, when you install, it's come by default. But let me show you something like extra. If I'll come here, and you can see with the tools which I have already installed. Now this is not a problem, because EC Councils allow us to download the tools. Okay, you can download all the tools, you can set up your SharePoints, you can set up a machines like CH. It's not a very big deal, you can do like this. Okay, and you can set up like all the tools like log4j, shell POC, then RPC scan, reverse shell generator, all this tool. As you can see here, it is available. Then apart from that, like phone exploit pro to perform the phone Android exploitation. Then here is the Gauri, which is an advanced version to perform SQL injection attacks. Then DSS, AndroRat, clickjack POCs, which is useful to perform the clickjacking attacks. Okay, so you can use all these tools to perform the attacks. So what I'm gonna do now, first of all, let me tell you that I told you that I have done my version 12, and yes, the version 13 is far different for the version 12. So if you want to gain hands-on experience with AI and cybersecurity, ethical hacking, so I will recommend you to just go enroll with the CH version 13, an AI version which gonna help you to gain hands-on experience, how to use AI, how to build tools with AI, how to get hands-on experience, how to master yourself with AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so as I said that I'm gonna show you some example also, that how all the tools which I have installed, how it works. So right now if I'll just go to the click on the places, if I'll just go to the desktop, and you can see that module 13 which cover the hacking web server, then module 14 which cover the hacking web application, 16 which cover the hacking wireless networks. Okay, all these are publicly available, so there is no issue to publish here. Only the thing guys, I have seen that multiple people are telling me to upload that engagements, which I cannot do because it's a personal property, it's a confidential data, and where students, those who have paid a big amount of like $500-600, they get that access, so which I cannot provide openly for free. And I can understand that this is against their policy. That's why I'm really sorry that I cannot cover. But yeah guys, you can set up your lab the way I have done. It's not a very hard job, it's not a very rocket science. So if I'll just, let me show you, if I'll go to the version 13 web hacking modules, and if I want to just click on here, so here you can see all the tools are available. So what I'm gonna do now, let me just show you with an example of Host AI, which is a tool which help you to perform a reconnaissance, footprinting, information gathering, and also you can perform little bits of attacks also. So how it works, let me tell you, this will come in the exam also. Okay, just take an example. If I want to run this tool, let me show you what are the stuffs are available. Okay, if I'll just click on this, if I'll just go Python 3, sorry, instead of requirement.txt, but before running this tool, make sure you should have all the necessary requirements to run this tool. Okay, now if I'll just click on the Python 3 ghost underscore ey.py, okay, it's again telling me to install. Okay, fine. So what I can do, let me just first of all change the environment. Make sure guys, latest distro versions of the Debian not supporting anymore for Python 2, so you need to create a virtual environment inside your machine, and then you can use the backdated softwares like Python 2, so which I have done already here. So Python source been activate, let me just do it and done. Okay, sorry, let me see. Okay, fine. So I need to create it, so for that I can simply go for Python 3 -m venv, and venv. I'm creating a virtual environment inside my machine, and now I will activate this virtual environment source venv. You can do this in exam if anything if anything will occur problems. So let me just do it, and here we go. Now we are inside a virtual environment. Let me run the tool again, Python 3 ghost.py. okay, we need to install the requirements also. Python 3 install requirement.txt. Here we go, and done. Now let's run this tool again, pip3 install. Here we go. Okay, so requirements is already certified. So what I can do, let me just give me a second, and yeah, there will be an error will come on again and again after installing all these things. So what you have to do, you need to install these requirements. Okay, prevent from auto upgrading. Basically it's like it's stopping you to get this update. So what you can do, you need to just simply run this pip3 install requirement.txt, and you need to run this also, pip install this library files. Okay, so now if I'll just do this, here we go, and now we have done successfully. Now if I'll just try, or if I'll run this tool, and yes, now you can see that we have successfully run this tool. And what are the command, what are the options we can use in the exam? As you can see, we can monitor the networks on the root level. We can for this you need to become a root, but it's not necessary. If you just come here and if you just do like this sudo net discover, you can monitor the network from here also. Okay, it's not necessary to use this tool only. Here you can see we can monitor our network from this command, and we can check what are the other machines are connected with our virtual environment. Okay, so but for now I'm gonna stop this, but yeah, you can do this from here also. DNS lookup, whois lookup, nmap port scan, you can do all this thing. HTTP header grabber, you can gather the HTTP URLs, and you can see that if any attack you can perform, or you can modify the URLs, or you can do any attacks with the help of HHTS. You can downgrade it or not. So let me just give you an example with an attack. So as you can see, there is an option for the option number 6, clickjacking test. So now if I just click on this option number 6, it's asking, or it's telling us to put the domain name. So let me tell you guys, whatever I'm doing you right now, here's everything I'm doing under the sandbox environment. Everything is my under control. I will tell you, never test any website without any permission. So right now this website I can test because it's allow you to perform your penetration testing skills. So let's do it, and here we go. It will take a couple of seconds to give the results, and boom, now you can see xprime option header is missing, which means the xprime option is not mentioned here, and clickjacking is possible, which means this site is vulnerable to clickjacking attacks. Okay, so this is how you can use all the tools in the exam, which will gonna help you. I cannot tell you which tools because I also not remember, because I have done my exam very 1 year back. So hope you understand guys that yes, version 13 is different. It will gonna help you to get hands-on experience with the AI tools. The AI tools will come in the video section. They will teach you how to use the AIs, but it's not the modules are not different. Okay, let me tell you, modules are not different. Only the thing, they have introduced a new version with the AI, where they will show you how to use an AI also to perform the testing. So hope you guys understand your queries, hope you understand your doubts. If you like this video guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, like with your and share with your friend. To get more updates, to get more videos like this, you can support me. You can ping me on the comment that yes, we need further videos like this. Thank you for this video guys. As of now, that's it.